I shave my legs, I'll be a pro moto racer. Yeah, a pro moto racer. That's cool. This sucks. It'll be worth it if it works.
What the? Are you shaving your legs, son? You're not turning into one of them girly guys, are you, son?
No!